Hi Terry, this is Matt from Ultra Solutions. I'm going to show you how to replace the freeze module for Sequoia 512 ultrasound machine. You need two types of tools. You need to have 13mm hex wrench, and you need to have screwdrivers for removing the screws from the bottom of the control panel of the Sequoia system. Um, First, you will need to remove the screws from the bottom of the control panel. Uh, you need to remove 11 screws all in all, starting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10 at the bottom, and 11. Once you remove the screws, you will need to remove the freeze knob. Let me position my camera here so I can use both hands. Alright, remove the freeze knobs, and then you can remove now the keyboard bezel. There are going to be two cables at the bottom connected to the left and right set key or kidney key. Remove that by pulling it. Make sure before you start doing this, turn off the machine and plug the power from the power source. The next thing to do is remove the trackball. Just pull the trackball up and then pull the cable downward. And then here is the time where you're gonna use the hex wrench. Remove the nut. Once you remove that, just push the freeze module and then unplug the cable or pull down the cable at the bottom, and that's it. Putting it back, it's same thing, doing it opposite way. First, connect the cable. Make sure it's properly connected. You will hear the click. When you hear the click, that means it's already locked or connected. Then use your hex wrench to tighten up the nut. Okay, now the trackball. When you put the trackball, put the cable first. Make sure the cable is set properly inside. Okay, and now next thing to do is the keyboard bezel. Make sure you connect the cable that goes to the left kidney key or set key, and also the right cable that goes to the right set key. Once you've done that, you can put back your keyboard bezel. And then the next thing to do is the screwdriver and the screws. Make sure when you're putting back the screw, don't tighten it up first. Just put it back like that, but don't put it too tight yet. Just to make sure you have allowance to move the bezel. And once you put back all the screws, you can put back the freeze knob, and then you power on the system and test the functionality.